The BJP has directed its party workers in Meghalaya to vote for the NDA candidate in both Shillong and Tura seat. BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang said that the directions have also been issued to party workers to go all out and support the NDA candidates in both seats. The BJP Meghalaya recently decided not to field any candidates in 2 years of Meghalaya and instead support its partners NPP in Meghalaya. Initially, there was a resentment in the party against the move, but Kharkrang claimed that the issue has now been resolved. He also said that the talks about who will form the government at the centre is over, and now the only thing that needs to be seen is how many seats will BJP get after securing a clear majority in the polls.
I had a series of meetings with our karyakartas and workers now, and we had given instructions to them to pass on the message to all our supporters, and that whoever we are supporting now is an NDA candidate. The symbol may be different, but initially there were a lot of resentment on, but now our workers have come to terms with it, and they have agreed that if that's the instructions that has come from the High Command, so we will abide by it. And now we have asked them to go all out and canvass for the NDA candidate. So for us, it's not NPP, but it's an NDA candidate.